nice queenfish on.
Queen?
Yeah. It's got a queen.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Does she feel like a big one, or is she just fighting as normal?
The normal big fight for a small one. Look at this.
Looks like lunch is secured.
Look at
wow,
this. Look at how this fish is fighting.
Yeah.
Huh? It's quite interesting how after a while you can actually tell what fish it is.
Yeah.
Because they just, you know, a queen fights like a queen.
Yes. I'd say pound for pound the queen gives you twice the fight, I'd say.
Yeah. And I'm on a good 8 pounds of drag at the moment.
Yeah.
For an 8 pound fish.
Yeah.
That fish doesn't move an inch. Now the surface.
Oh! Who's going to win, you or the fish?
Minutes later.
Oh,
easy.
Good 5 minutes that, yeah.
5 minutes. That fish still won't come to the surface.
No. We've had it to the surface once, and
jumped out, took a look around, says,
not for me.
I don't want to go there. So I've got a 30-pound line on, and I've got about 8, 9 pounds of drag on it. And for the last 10 minutes, I'm pumping, and that fish won't come up.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
And now the military have arrived. Have a look.
Okay, what shall we do? Shall we go and reverse or what? Okay, this doesn't end.
Yeah.
So we're reversing now. So in a way the fish has won. There he is, look. There he is.
For all the viewers, I had to finish the fish off for Jan. He was too tired, I think, really.
Well, that's what I did the last 20 minutes.
Jan's conqueror. Amazing fish.